In this video, we are going to showcase and explain how much does Google Flow cost. Now, Google Flow to create an account is free, and you do get, if you click on your icon here on the upper right corner of the screen like so, this is your daily refresh rate, which is 150 AI credits. You can create maybe a few depending on what type of image you want to create for Google Flow. For videos, not enough, right? Images, sure. Right now, how much does it cost? All you need to do is click on upgrade, and it's going to open a tab. I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, it's opened a tab, and this is pretty much the monthly and the annual plan. So Google Plus monthly is $285. This is roughly around like $5, right? Google AI Pro is roughly like $20. AI Ultra is much more expensive. Annuals, you save 17%. So these are all the pricing. And if you want to see what is within each package, you're going to see all these features over here. And yeah, pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.